Welcome all of you. Dear students and my dear friends, welcome back once again. This is Dr VED, and today's we will discuss some basic topics of chemistry. So, are you ready to learn something new? Okay, let's start. Here are some questions and their answer. Please watch carefully and listen carefully. So, question number one is, what is atoms? First of all, just think about what is atom. An atom is a particle of matter that uniquely defines a chemical element. Okay, an atom is particle of matter. Always keep in mind, particle of matter. Okay. Now next question is, define molecules in simple words. So molecules are made up of one or more atoms. One or more atoms. Molecules are made up of one or more atoms. What is simple terms of matter? The terms matter refer to anything that occupies space and has mass. So here important words in this question: occupies space and mass. So always keep in mind, especially terms of matter. Now next question is, what is physical state of matter? What is physical state of matter? There are three physical states of matter in chemistry, like solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. So dear students, some basic questions and basic topics you have also learned. What is physical state of matter, solid, liquid, and gas? So dear students, I hope uh, you understand better. We will meet in next video. So wish you all the best and thank you for watching. Thank you for learning.